quick tutorial on painting your original Maglinium wheels from the 89 to 92 Ranger series. Just wanted to give you a quick update. These didn't look that bad until the brake dust really got to them, and that's that I barely used the truck. And then I went ahead and I got a drill and I forget what those green sponges are. Anyways, there's an attachment for a drill, and I deep cleaned it, and I guess the brake dust had already gotten inside the first clear coat, they call it, of the Maglinium wheel. And so I don't want to pay $500 a wheel for people to give it a clear coat again. And I think chrome dipping costs around the same thing, $350 depending on where you live. So I just went and I painted it with Walmart spray paint, and didn't even sand it down, just put tape around those black edges because I like them. And I used a license plate bended it right way so that I can kind of block the tire, except for the holes right there. I should put some masking tape, but the other ones will come out better. So this was with the license plate, and the first one was the experiment, how much paint I could get on the side of the tires. And I got a pretty good amount. So looks a whole lot better though. And the paint that I used is this here, Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover Paint Plus Primer Metallic. Now, of course, the lid looks like that, and that's never gonna look like that. But is it better than what it was? Yep. Does it need a few more coats? Probably. But this is just so I can experiment. And if you guys still have an 89 to 92 Ranger or these same type wheels in your Ranger, you know, don't be afraid to give it the rattle can, as they say, and save some money on chrome dipping. I mean, if you have the money, do it. But, you know, that's what these things are there for. Low budget. Thanks.